spotter pound thing a generator which was of a 25 kVA, which gives in case of power failure gives connection to the Saint Anthony Church had caught fire. And according to the eyewitness, the Uzo generator where the battery was stored, Tingasanto originates Zalolo. And before we could reach there, the full generator was on fire. Okay, immediately आमचे firefighting operation start केले, commence केले. Okay, where since it is run mostly by diesel, we try to extinguish by the portable first aid fire extinguishers, and then by using foam to control the fire. The fire was controlled in another 25 minutes and thereby extinguished. The loss, according to the father, he is saying it is about 5 lakhs. Okay, the risk area was the nearby church there. So we have asked him to give us the detail of the loss incurred.